At 1:44 a.m., India carried out an attack on Pakistan, which was military strikes with immense precision. It was called Operation Sindoor. The Indian Army released that statement talking about that precise attack which was carried out, in which no military, no civilian, no economic bases or installations were targeted. It was planned and directed, is what the Indian Army says. No Pakistani military facility is targeted, is what India has communicated. India has demonstrated considerable restraint in the selection of targets and the method of execution. Remember, this is in response to the Pahalgam terrorist attack, in which 25 people, mostly tourists, were killed. Operation Sindoor was a exercise of all the three forces: Indian Navy, Indian Army, and Indian Air Force were involved. So it was a coordinated, first of its kind in a non-war situation, a milestone military operation carried out by India. And post that, what we can tell our viewers is some airports have been shut here in India for civilian movement. And Ankit, the big news that is coming in also at this point is that India has briefed its allies and given details of this operation.
So that's the roundup of what has happened, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. If you are waking up on this Wednesday morning, you are waking up with a very big news. It's not that we all of us, would like or indulge in warmongering, but India reserved the right to retaliate, to hit back. It is payback time, ladies and gentlemen, for the terror infrastructure in Pakistan with these precision strikes which have been taken place. Some important news coming in, Maria. Government sources are saying that there could be an all-party meeting once again. This is also different from what we saw in the surgical strikes earlier. The government trying to build consensus. There was an all-party meeting before the strikes, and now expectation of another meeting, after these strikes as well. Sunil Prabhu is with us. Sunil, go ahead with more information on this.
This was expected. This is usually, there has been bipartisan support for, giving and supporting the government in whatever steps it takes to, respond to what was the horrific killing in Pahalgam. And it's in that backdrop that the reach out to an all-party meeting will definitely be a big first step in that direction to get and continue to support the armed forces in their action as well as the government. This is definitely not a situation where India will, and its political parties will ask questions, but really support the government and the armed forces and continue to be with them. These are going to be the next few days on how things respond and how they carry on is going to be extremely important, and we will have to, be extremely careful whether it escalates into a full-blown war or is it just, this attack. These are important criteria that we have to look at this present juncture. But there will definitely be an all-party meeting. There will be a briefing by the Ministry of External Affairs to what they have already told our counterparts. They speak on behalf of the entire establishment as well as to the message to the world, the reason for why.
True that, Sunil, and this will be important. Scenarios being playing out from here, the country will have to stay united, and that's also the reason the government would want to brief all the political parties already. At least it's good to see on this occasion that the opposition coming together and also, in fact, extending full support to the government of India. But very, very important, messaging this as well.